Welcome to the Jill on Money podcast and happy 2020. We are presented by Marcus by Goldman Sachs. I know you got a lot to do. You got a lot of football to watch. You got a little hangover to nurse. Maybe you've got to go out and do something really important to start those financial and other resolutions. Well, I'm going to help you kickstart them. This is our financial resolution little tidbit, just a few minutes. This is my appearance on New Year's Day on CBS This Morning. Financial Resolutions 2020. Here's how to get them achieved in the coming year.
Many Americans are ringing in the new year with a new round of resolutions. This morning, we're joined by a team of experts with tips to improve your finances, your health, and tech practices in 2020. And we're going to start with money. One survey of financial resolutions finds 53% of Americans hope to save more in 2020. 51% hope to pay down debt, and 35% hope to spend less in the new year. CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger is here with how to make those goals happen. Jill, Happy New Year.
And Happy New Year to you.
So how do we get this started?
You know, it all starts with how much money is coming into your household, how much is going out. I know that sounds kind of simple, but this is really not about budgeting. It's about tracking the money. And without understanding that, it's really hard to prioritize your finances. So one thing to consider is to download an app. There are tons out there, lots of free ones, Mint or Clarity Money, and it helps you organize what you are doing. That way, you'll have a way to at least figure out what's most important and how much money you have to do these things.
Yeah, and you say we should embrace technology when it comes to paying bills. What do you mean?
Well, you can set lots of dates automatically. So, for example, let's say you've got an outstanding credit card balance. Maybe you went crazy over the holidays. Yeah. You want to establish an automatic payment on a certain date. Maybe you want to set aside a certain amount of money for savings. You can do that as well. What we're really trying to do is time when you get money in and then set the date when it's going out. And what's really important about this is by doing this, you may be able to save yourself a lot of fees and headaches.
Yeah, and you're making a commitment as well to making those payments.
Absolutely.
You say this is a good time to think even beyond the new year. How so?
I know that none of us woke up this morning saying, I wonder what's going to happen when I die. OK, I get that, that you're not doing that. But I am asking you, and I'm going down on bent knee and really begging all of you to consider finishing these tasks that are very hard to do. So estate planning is one of these big issues that always looms large. Everyone says, I know I need to do it. So let's commit to doing it. Let's try to figure out a will, a power of attorney, a healthcare proxy, letters of instruction. You know where most people get tripped up? They can't figure out who's going to be the guardian for their kid.
Yeah.
Pick the best possible choice you can both agree on. Get that on paper. Get that happening. Try to get that retirement plan started up. That's a long way in the future. And get these things done so you don't have to ponder this 3 months from now.
Yeah, it's something we all put off, but it gives you a lot of peace of mind.
Absolutely.
All right, Jill Schlesinger, thanks.